Google's search results just got tasty with new rich pins for your recipe. At the end of the day, us SEOs are basically professional librarians. We help businesses categorize their content, information, and anything that they want to be accessible for people online to discover through search engines such as Google. Recipes are one of those amazing types of structured data that has a clear piece of information that you can distill down into what a robot can display on search engines. So you've got your images for the recipe, you have the actual proportions, and you have the time. And this is a very simple method. So if you can understand how to categorize your website's content and take advantage of the structured data that Google offers, there's over 600 different options that you can install on your website and likely have some of these search results displayed in this rich manner. If you're using this code on your website, it doesn't guarantee that your content is going to take advantage of your rich pin. Google is going to make that decision if it's relevant to that search result, but it's a good thing to have because it makes your search engine listings pop. And I would highly recommend looking into this and trying to develop a recipe or a content strategy. Anything that shares on Google is a great way for you to attract more qualified clicks from Google for free. So make sure you're taking advantage of this and use the proper guidelines in order to install it on your site. If you have any questions about rich pins or how to add structured data to your website, drop me a comment here below and I'll be very helpful and point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.